Hi guys, and welcome again. Were you able to do 3.2? 3.1 was fairly straightforward. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. We are continuing with our paper 1, June 2025 preparation. This is all in a playlist in order. So if you want to start at the beginning, just jump onto the beginning of the playlist. If you want to just get this information on question 3.2, here it is. So we started with 3.1 and we were able to work out the general formula of this quadratic sequence. Now, when we look at the consecutive terms of the quadratic sequence, they have a difference of 33. So what we need to look at is when are we going to get a difference of 33 between the numbers in this sequence. And so what it is important to note is that the first difference of an arithmetic of a quadratic sequence is an arithmetic sequence. So what we have here is an arithmetic sequence. That's important, okay? And so these are going to continue on, and we're going to get values. So we can plug in a value. So what we need is actually, when you see this, get the general term, the general term of the sequence. So in other words, the Tn for the arithmetic sequence, the Tn for the first differences, because the difference needs to be 33. So we just need to find out when we get a term in this arithmetic sequence that comes to 33. So let's just solve this arithmetic sequence first. So we know that our a is equal to -5 and our difference is equal to 2, right? And so, because -3 minus -5 is 2. And so we get Tn is equal to a, which is -5, plus n minus 1 times the difference of 2. And so we get -5 plus 2n minus 2, and so we get 2n minus 7. Okay, now all we need to do is find out when does this equal 33. So we just sub in 33 here for our Tn, and we get 2n is equal to, take the -7 to the other side, and we get 40, and we get n is equal to 20. Okay, so we know that we'll have a difference of 33 on the 20th term. Now, what's important to note is, look at this. The -5 corresponds to the 2. So in other words, when our arithmetic sequence T1 refers specifically then to the term, the second term, so in other words T2. So whatever we get in 20, we must then add 1 to it in order to get the next one. All right, so we are able to get Tn equals 20, so therefore we need to find out what T21 is, okay? So we need to find out what T21 is. So let me just make some space here. N is equal to 20, therefore we need to find T21 of the quadratic sequence. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly jump back because we were able to get our quadratic, we were given our quadratic sequence, which you also had to solve, and then we just substitute in 21 for that. So T21 equals 21 squared minus 8 times 21. I'm trying to speed up too much. And we get put that in our calculator, and we get 294. Okay, were you able to get that? Not too easy, pretty tricky. If you were able to get that, comment. And also, when are you guys writing? It'd be great to hear from you. And please comment what you need help with. I will be here helping you through this difficult exam preparation time. I know it's very stressful, but I'm here for you guys. So please let me know if you need help. Okay, so let's just do 3.3. The value of m is added to each term in the quadratic sequence. Determine the values of m for which only the terms T1 and T7 of the quadratic sequence will be negative values. Okay, so what is important here is to know that when you have a quadratic sequence, you have, and I'm just going to give you a hint for now, this in a way, well, this is not in a way, this is, if you were to graph it, a parabola. So what you want to find out is where will you have negative values? In other words, where will it go below here? Okay, and so we want to find the terms where we will have this value. So that's a little hint. Please like, subscribe, and I will show you in the next video the answer to this. But please, the link to this past paper is in the description. I'd love it if you were to attempt this on your own. It is better if you get it by yourself, or at least, I wouldn't say struggle, but at least attempt it and do the hard yards, and yeah, watch this video if you still can't get it, or at least check. So yeah, see you in the next video where I will be showing you completely how to do this one. Thanks, and see you soon.